Please compute for the ideal weight of 3 years old child. Please, please express your answer in kilogram. Please put your answer in a sheet of paper.
So 18 years times 2 plus 8, 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 8 equals 14 kilograms. So range is
8. Please tell me your name and your work experience.
I'm Lisa Kutba, registered nutrition esthetician. I'm working at Superior Hospital for 21 years. I availed the early retirement program. So,
Have you had any experience as a push girl in supermarket? For what brand?
yes, I attended wellness, Nestle Philippines, and Alaska. So, since 2006, Nestle Wellness.
Do you have a license as a registered nutritionist?
Ma'am, a little question lang na pwede na.
Yeah, no problem.
Mayroon ba kayong, I'm being the registered nutritionist technician. Okay, so, ask them mo gamay about sa years ang bibili mo.
3 years old, ma'am.
3 years old. Pero, okay ba siya?
Isip kaya siya kanon, mahirap siya pakainin. Masyado mapili sa mga kinakain. Yung mga paborito lang niya ang kinakain.
So,
Gusto, bahala magbalik-balik sa favorite food.
so siya, so may tayong kuwan ma'am now, sa Pediasure ma'am.
I heard na masyado, mahal yung Pediasure.
Hindi mahal, pero ang Pediasure ay
Hindi ba mahal, ma'am?
hindi mahal. Pero may pagkamahal, pero ang calories niya mas taas ay sa regular na milk. So,
Okay.
ang 1 glass of milk is 30 calories na. So, mataas ang calories niya. At maraming vitamins or vitamins and minerals. Makuha mo ang 28 vitamins and minerals. So,
Yun lang po ba, ma'am? Okay.
so ang
Pag extra budget ako, ma'am, bibili ako yan.
ang Pediasure maka-increase ng 30 calories. So, in 3 months, double ang height. Put mo 50% increase sa height. In 2 months, 50% increase sa weight. Okay na siya, din yung vitamins.
Maganda talaga yung gagawin na. Pag may extra money ako, ma'am, bibili ako niyan. Kasi ngayon ay masyado.
O mayroon kayong kuwan. Yung may maliit nga pa, may laki.
May distribute.
At least,
Oo, sige.